Today, we are drawing a cement mixer truck. Let's draw together. First, we are front part of our mixer truck. Please like and subscribe. Do you know that cement mixer truck is a construction vehicle? It is used to deliver cement at construction sites. Wow, fantastic truck! This truck is going to be very helpful for construction. I like to draw this mixer truck very much. So cute! Now, we draw back wheels of our cement mixer truck. Wow! So awesome wheels! And finally, we are drawing cement tank. This is going to be a very colorful truck. Drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's do coloring. Red. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug.
Buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling. To my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Purple.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my Lou.
Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in next video. Take care.